Why is one of my favorite things pressure canning? I absolutely love pressure canning. Now you have to be careful that you don't confuse pressure canning with a pressure cooker. It's a completely different thing. A pressure canner is something that is going to allow you to take foods like some vegetables. What happens is there's low acid items like meat, poultry, some vegetables, seafood. They're low acid, so you don't want to do a water bath because the chances of getting bacteria in your jar, because this is going to stay on your shelf. So you don't want to take the chance that getting bacteria in this jar is going to happen, because then of course not safe to eat, right? So a pressure canner is something that I love to use to make sure that I'm doing it safely. So this is what a pressure canner looks like. It's got a little gauge here so you know what kind of pressure. It's got a little, the steam comes out of this and you just cap, and then that allows the pressure to build up in the pressure canner. One of the reasons I love to do pressure canning is because I'm trying to create space in the freezer, because in the gardening season there are so many beautiful vegetables, herbs, and all kinds of things that I want to put in the freezer. So I don't want to take up that freezer space by putting in things like spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce that are going to take a lot of room in your freezer. So that's one of my real reasons, my number one reason for pressure canning. First of all, I love that I can take meat. This is a pasta sauce with meat, and I can put it on the shelf. It's sealed. The pressure canner has sealed it. It's just like, for instance, here is some chicken broth that I did in the pressure canner as well. So it's things that you would never think would be on a shelf, but you can put them on the shelf. Just like when you go into the grocery store and you buy chicken broth in a can or a container that's sealed, that is okay, there's no bacteria in it, right? Well, it's the same thing with your home canning. When you use a pressure canner, you can keep this on the shelf. It is awesome. So I encourage you to read up about it, and I do have some videos on my YouTube channel, Nana the Glam Gardener, that you can watch on how I pressure can. There is one there for meat pasta sauce, so you can follow it. Once you get one, at first I was a little bit nervous because I'm thinking, really, I'm going to put meat on my shelf? So I was a bit nervous, but I got over it fast because it's a wonderful, wonderful tool in your kitchen. So what happens in that pressure canner is the temperatures go above boiling point, and it creates a pressure in the canner that seals your jars. It is amazing. Like this spaghetti sauce was in the pressure canner for 90 minutes. That creates the pressure, creates the seal so that you don't get any bacteria. One of my very favorite things, pressure canning. Read up about it and see if you would like to, go a little bit further and get pressure canning inside your kitchen. I highly recommend it, right? And you have a great day.